In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Sharing files efficiently during or after a meeting is crucial for collaboration, ensuring everyone has access to important documents, presentations, or images. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to upload and share files directly from your device within any Teams conversation. By following these instructions, you'll be able to seamlessly distribute information to your colleagues and team members, making your communication more effective and streamlined. To begin, you'll first need to access the Chats section within your Microsoft Teams application. Once Teams is open on your computer, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface. Here you'll typically find a vertical navigation bar featuring various icons. Look for the icon that represents Chats, which commonly resembles a speech bubble or a pair of overlapping chat boxes. Clicking on this icon will take you to your central hub for all direct messages and group conversations, serving as our essential starting point for file sharing within any Teams context. Next, from your list of active conversations, you'll need to select the specific one where you intend to share your file. After clicking on Chats, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your recent and ongoing conversations displayed on the left pane. Carefully scroll through this list until you identify the particular chat associated with your meeting or the specific group of individuals you want to share the document with. This could be a private chat with a colleague, a dedicated group chat for a project team, or the conversation linked to a specific meeting you've recently participated in. Simply click on the conversation's name to open its dedicated chat window and prepare for the next step. With your chosen conversation now open and visible on your screen, locate the message composition area at the very bottom of the chat window. In this input field where you would normally type your messages, you'll find a series of small icons. Search for the Attach Media icon. This crucial icon often looks like a paperclip, a small square with a plus sign, or sometimes an image of a file. Its purpose is to allow you to add various types of content to your message. Clicking this icon will promptly open a small contextual menu, presenting you with different options for uploading or sharing content. From the menu that appears after clicking the Attach icon, you'll be presented with several options for where your file is located. To upload a file stored directly on your computer, you'll need to specifically select the option labeled Upload from this device. This choice is distinct from other options like sharing from cloud storage services such as OneDrive. By choosing Upload from this device, you are instructing Microsoft Teams to open your computer's native File Explorer or Finder window. This action allows you to navigate through your local folders and directories to pinpoint the exact file you wish to share with your meeting participants or chat group. Once your computer's File Explorer or Finder window has appeared on your screen, take your time to meticulously navigate through your various folders and directories to locate the specific file you wish to share. Whether it's a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel spreadsheet, or an image, ensure you select the correct one. After you've successfully found the file, simply click on its name to highlight it, then confirm your selection. This action temporarily attaches the file to your message within the Teams chat composition box, preparing it for distribution, but it is not yet visible to others. Finally, with your chosen file now successfully attached and appearing within the message composition box, often represented by its file name, and sometimes a small preview, there's one last essential step. To make the file officially available for others to view and download, you must initiate the sending process. Look for the Send button, which is typically designed as a paper airplane icon, or simply the word Send, usually positioned in the bottom right corner of the message input area. Clicking this button will finalize the upload and instantly share your file with everyone included in that particular chat conversation, making it accessible to all participants.